What up, my guys? Happy holidays. It's coming to the end of the year. It's December, and you know what? We hear about some Hassa today, and my boy called me and say he got something going on. So you know what? All you gotta say the word, and you know what? I'm there. So we're gonna go try get some in this cold weather. But you know what? Let's see what happened today. It was playing, so Stevie in the house, Stevie Adventure, guys. Only man got some Hassa for the Christmas. Watch this video, guys. Catch it. What's Hassa? What up, man? What's Hassa here? Quarry powder. What are you guys? One true. One true. Two true. We don't got curry already. What about we need to put the rest? What more do you need there? Huh? One more there. One soup, brain, that's good. Food stays down. Nice. Looking like a good rain. Watch them playing it. Watch them.
Yeah, man. The hurricane Hassa.
Hurricane Hassa. Watch.
All the hurricane Hassa coming. Watch. See how the water coming there?
Look like rain falling in here. Watch.
All you can catch this. Watch. All you can catch. All you can catch.
Alright, guys. We're gonna murder them today. I get a curry powder. Masala. Watch.
White masala.
White masala. Hey. It's December and we still doing it. White masala. Watch. Like a rain. And we not show yet. We ain't showing and they make a show there. Rain. Alright, guys. Let's do this. Charlie, the back there. Big Hassa.
Gotta have these gears, guys. Look at this. Best thing you can buy to fish in with. Save your foot from getting wet. Perfect. It's only about $35 for this. That's it. Have to have the tool for the job. That's the problem. You see, you got to take for the wood. So a lot of fish here, guys. But you got a lot of stumps. These nets are expensive, you know. You gotta be careful when you throw these net. That's money right there.
Watch yes.
Oh, got us, Stevie. Hassa the cool there. Hassa the cool there, buddy.
What's Hassa?
Cool there, buddy.
What up, man? Nice throw.
See what Hassa bring us?
That's springing. Hey, curry powder.
White curry powder.
White curry powder.
See what? But my mama bring Hassa would have to. Hassa the Steve after Hassa the don't Steve. Yeah.
I'll catch them today. We'll murder them today, boys. Watch this. What is
Let me clean it. Hassa big. Huh? What is Hassa there? Hassa there kiss me.
That's the big kiss me. What else size there?
Yeah.
Yeah, boys. Watch this.
Nice size 5, 6 and 1.
Yep. We here. One throw.
Hey, go through one throw and bring a bucket. Help me clean this. Ow. Throw one more. Throw one throw.
Here.
Okay, go through.
Watch guys, look. We're here.
Middle of December. And we get to them, look. What has here? Quarry powder.
Half of the middle. You have to pick up a throw. Just throw.
One throw, not 7 days. Watch the guy, watch. Mama, look.
Hey.
7, 8.
What is half of the
Guys, watch guys. Come see this thing.
Nice head here.
Let me show you this beautiful. And water cool.
Let's go to.
Place cool. What do you think is? Oh my, watch my hat. What is this thing?
Yeah.
What are you guys?
Nice, huh?
One throw.
One, two,
One throw. 2 throw. We don't got curry already. What about we need to throw the rest of it? What more do you need left there? Huh? One more there again. I don't take out there. 8. I 18. He about 8 there. I 16 has I 1 throw. 2 throw. I watch. They're out there again, boys. They're here. More of them. The bottom there, they say about 12 feet water.
More cool. No floor.
You hold this Hassa cool, what?
Hassa cool, yeah, that's true. Hey, nice Hassa too.
What
Nice
is
Hassa.
this? Let's say called
Nice
Hassa.
Hassa though.
You know? What is like bull.
See.
2 throw guys.
See, are you going to watch that?
Yep. They're playing here guys, look. We just wake up the ants nest. Yeah, I put on there the rest of the button, they need more than the button.
You can call you ready?
No, more. I 2 throw guys. Watch over there. We have a little spot here, you know. So we have a spot. When we want curry, we come here.
So you can get the others.
Yeah. You can put?
No, the passing body.
So that one ain't coming nothing. We'll try again.
Oh, only one coming. Must feel like good.
Yeah, so
Half of the middle. Half of the middle.
Nice Hassa, look at this beauty.
Yeah, half of the middle.
That's a nice one.
Hold on this one. You cut it right now?
This one.
Yeah. Good. Real.
Yeah.
I'm carrying it.
Carrying it.
Taking it. Take it.
What's going on?
Hassa body. Hassa. Nice.
Zira button and mud, down in mud.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice one, guys. Look at it.
Yeah. Good size, yeah.
What's this thing here?
God, nice.
Come on, man.
Hey.
You got curry, yeah?
You do the for damn later, that one?
Yeah.
No, man, let you go
No,
now.
put it in this. Watch.
Nice.
Beauty, guy. Look at this.
Hassa curry.
In the middle of December.
Nobody. Christmas time. Winter time and Christmas time.
Yeah, I afford to go back. Bucket full. Ready, guys. Looking good already, and that's only what 3-4 throw. Look at that. We didn't start yet. Watch it.
Watch that buddy. I just see.
Hey guys, watch it. Yeah. We hit it. There was a party going on here, and you know, we set up at Christmas. Come here to interfere with the Christmas party. Right, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I made 9 anyway.
Little kung fu guys, right?
Let's see.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yours comes same thing. Half of the kind of see the grass, you know the grass?
Guys,
Bottom.
the catch is the middle of the heart. What? Okay. This is Christmas Hassa. Right, the man full, you know, take him out. You need help. That car back up here. That's what we do it, guys. Keep adventure.
Your next one same with Steve.
Watch.
Your next one same with.
What is it? Me never be full too. The apple in that thing will be full.
Hey, watch out. Hey.
Hey, hold on. Not today. It's expensive fish. Let me pull up me one.
Hey, tadi rate apa gerak dia?
Yeah. Oh. You catch a mother land spot here, boys. Let me pull up his net. What? Hey, what are you carrying it? Hold on. Back up. What? You got tilapia inside here too. Guys, I tell you, plenty fishy. Fishy, watch. Watch here. Watch. Bucket.
Kamu dah malam. The last snake, he can't come here, no. Last snake there, no.
Watch.
Huh?
Yeah, stick there here. Yeah, nobody come here. They have snake, alligator, and crocodile.
You got bass snake here. Why
Very dangerous for you guys.
Hey, what kind of snake you got here?
Watch, man, don't take out yet. Watch, you're gonna need partner.
God away. Hey, that's nice, Hassa.
Oh man, look at this, guys. Man, you can't ask for better than this. Clean. Look at this, man. My goodness. You know, only in Steve channel you get Hassa in Christmas time.
Steve channel too.
Steve channel.
Steve channel.
Yeah.
Riva.
Steve channel. Watch him jump. Fresh. But look at this.
Got the Steve. Hey, we doing good.
Oh, this man here don't take out fish yet.
Life. Better life, eh?
Yeah.
That's why you gotta get boat here.
Yeah.
You know that boat?
Yeah, grass here. Have grass. I stop, you see? Oh shit.
You gotta get boat here.
I've got to gotta be careful. Look at that, guys. See?
You gotta get boat.
That's what the problem here. You gotta be
See how you
careful.
put up there? You can't get this one
These
out.
stumps.
No, we can't put it. You know?
That's the danger in this business. See?
Yeah.
Ripping it. But you know what? You got about 4 or 5 of them in there. We're gambling on this water. And we only do like couple throw. Look. Very bucket. Yeah. That's how we do it. Beautiful Hassa.
Nice Hassa.
You know. But the danger in here is wood.
You don't know what you're fucking about.
And this net. Be very careful.
You don't know what you're about. Pick it up, buddy. Pick it up. You knock?
Huh?
Knock?
Yeah.
A whole bunch of it in there.
Got something in here, but
You gotta be Hassa. What happened to you? Hassa pan, what you expect? Watch now. You make Khala ready. Watch you much come. You make Khala ready there. Nice size, Hassa. Nice Hassa, buddy. Nice Hassa. Watch. You got 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. God, good Hassa. See?
Yeah.
Nice Hassa. Nice.
4 or 5 of them.
Yeah. Keep going one or two. Keep going one or two right there.
I want the bucket.
Bucket right there.
Show them the bucket. Show them the bucket here. Watch.
Right. That's the way you gotta get. That's the way Hassa got
Yeah,
it.
boys.
That's the way Hassa. Nice
Nice.
hand.
Nice size. Curry size.
Yeah. Nice Hassa.
The bucket almost full already. I mean,
Oh, yeah. If you go throw one throw again, you get Hassa again. Right there. There's no fasting, okay?
Yeah. Watch you guys.
Yes,
Oh, here we go.
good Hassa.
That sweet sound. Choo choo. Yeah, choo choo. Christmas hat.
Give him one more throw, sir. Give him one more throw. Go.
Come on there, right?
Yeah, good. Give him one more throw. No, I will give you.
Two bucket already, watch. I throw this one. I'll full of bucket, I see.
A nice Hassa.
I'll full of bucket, it feels nice, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Hassa.
You still Hassa?
Your ex-wife say you want Hassa.
What you call you?
Yes.
Carla just went.
What is that?
He said
Hey.
that's very good.
Yeah,
Can I catch him?
Me tell him
Yeah.
again.
$25 pound.
Hey, good. Nice Hassa, eh? Good, take a picture, show to Jackie.
Okay, guys.
Good.
We ask better than
Nice
this.
Hassa, eh? Good, this one a good Hassa?
What? It's a goal. It's like what? Maybe an hour yet.
You know how $100
Less than an hour we catch all this. How we do it, guys?
Hey guys, watch. This is what we do when we come out of fishing. We buy here, and we one bucket. And we got bucket there in there. Here one net. But you know what? We're here, guys. Steve Adventure. Always in the back dam, doing we thing. One net here, one save. So we can catch more, but you know what? We're gonna save.
One net here, half a play more.
We're gonna save this cast net because there's a lot of money in these things, guys. We don't wanna lose these net. And we'll be back here. Coming back with the boat this time. And with more of them. Enjoy the little chat video, guys. Christmas month.
Next week.
Next week is Christmas.
So I didn't get some whole boat, whole boat out there, right?
Oh yeah. Hey guys. Washi washi. Keep them clean. Keep them clean. Beautiful, guys.
Next thing is that we can make that kaka with you. Make that kaka.
Beautiful, beautiful. Here it is, guys. Quick run out of the day. Beautiful Hassa. Beautiful. Look at this. Can't go wrong. In this video, guys, I'm not going to show you how to cook Hassa because I know everybody knows how to cook Hassa. So we're going to do a little quick ending part of it. Show you all the great stuff and end it. So enjoy.
So guys, I'm not about too much about the cooking channel, so I'm just gonna do what I gotta do, show you guys how to enjoy this food and make our mouth water leak. So this is what I'm doing in the kitchen.
Alright, so I'm gonna add these okra in, guys. Almost halfway there. Add the okra. And you must have some Chinese marry, like top it off. Look at that. By the looks of that alone, look at that, your mouth water will leak. Yeah, guys. That's what it's talking about. That's what I like. That's why I love cooking this fish. I love cooking it. So the dressing is the best part of it. Can't wait to get into this food. Dig in time, soon. So guys, our time of the night now. We're going to take this big boys them out. Put them in a nice little plate. Put no okra. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Right. You know me, guys, about two of this. Two before I feel good. So I'm gonna try to get two out of this thing here. The one on that side, the one on this side. East and west. Gotta get the pepper. Look at that. A little mango here. Gotta have a mango, guys. This. So enjoy this here. Can't beat this, guy. Look at this. Beautiful plate of fresh Hassa.
Alright guys, so this is the time of the night. Don't make me fancy Hassa here. You know what time is it? Last time. So we're gonna eat this, enjoy it. Until next video, guys. Stay tuned. Good night.